Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to change the headlight on a Mitsubishi Galant. Before you begin, make sure your vehicle is turned off and the engine has cooled down completely. Gather your new headlight bulb and the necessary tools, which typically include a screwdriver. It's always a good idea to consult your car's owner's manual for specific instructions and safety precautions related to your model. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe replacement process. Now, let's get to the bulb itself. First, open the hood of your Mitsubishi Galant. Locate the back of the headlight assembly, which is usually accessible from the engine bay. You might need to remove a plastic cover or a few clips to gain full access. Once visible, carefully disconnect the electrical connector attached to the back of the bulb by pressing a tab and pulling it off. With the connector removed, you can now access the bulb. There might be a retainer ring or a spring clip holding the bulb in place. Gently turn or unclip it to release the old bulb. Carefully pull out the old bulb, avoiding touching the glass of the new bulb during installation, as oils from your skin can reduce its lifespan. Insert the new bulb, ensuring it's seated correctly, then secure it with the retainer or clip. Reconnect the electrical connector. After installing the new bulb, turn on your car and test the headlight to confirm it's working correctly. Check both high and low beams. If needed, adjust the headlight's aim to ensure proper road illumination and avoid blinding other drivers. This usually involves turning adjustment screws near the headlight assembly. Remember, a properly functioning headlight is crucial for safe driving. Also, for other great deals and the link to those darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty, check out the description below.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.